Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
The Eastern U13 Regionals, where dreams begin to sprout. On this day 3, the youthful brigades of Team DC and Team NC stepped onto Maryland's battleground. A quintessential clash awaited, with hopes high and ambitions soaring.
And what unfolded was a tapestry of youthful endeavour and cricketing prowess. Amidst the cheers and tension, a ballet of bat and ball composed a saga that left spectators spellbound, as these young titans of cricket etched their tales on the pitch.
It's the unwavering support of our event advertisers that brought the spectacle to life. Their commitment sets the stage for these future stars to shine.
Indeed, Ravish, kudos to Top Cricket Store for championing cricket's growth, SMK Global, our health's all-rounder, and North Jersey Youth Cricket Academy for nurturing talent. They are building tomorrow's champions.
From the toss to the last ball, Team DC's dominance was a sight to behold. The opening salvo was met with resilience, and a middle-order shuffle set the ground for a competitive total. It was a tale of strategic nuances, with DC's bowlers holding the reins tight.
The turning points came thick and fast as NC struggled to find their footing. Key wickets by DC's ace bowlers tore through NC's ambitions. It was the kind of plot twist that would leave a cricketing novelist envious. The pendulum of momentum swung decisively.
DC approached the crease with intent, and while wickets stumbled, a sturdy partnership between Arya Das and Akash Bhardwaj laid a solid foundation.
NC's bowlers were not just spectators. Dhruva Kakkireni, especially, etched his mark with a spell weaving a web around DC's ambitions, tilting scales in a game of shadow and light.
The second act began with NC's chase, but what ensued was a bowling masterclass by DC. Neelam Senthil emerged as the architect of the collapse, scripting a narrative of precision and guile.
This innings was less a chase and more a tactical demonstration by DC. Each bowler, a maestro in their right, conducted an ensemble of dismissals, leaving NC's hopes scattered like leaves in an autumn wind.
Neelam Senthil's figures read like a dream spell, Dhruva Kakkireni's resilience gave NC a glimmer, and Akash Bhardwaj's bat spoke with grit.
These players etched their presence in bold strokes, defining the match rhythm. Senthil's performance, a symphony of seams and swings, turned the game on its head.
In the end, Team DC reigned supreme, a 1-3-0-run victory testament to their disciplined performance. Strategy and skill reigned supreme on this fateful day.
A triumph carved out of collective effort and individual brilliance. Today, DC did not just win a match, they made a statement for the tournament ahead. Like the Avengers in their endgame, Team DC assembled their talents to overcome the odds. Today's reflections are tomorrow's lessons for both teams as they continue their cricketing journey.
Cricket, much like life, offers a canvas to display courage. Today, DC's vibrant strokes painted a victory, etching a memorable chapter in the Eastern U13 Regionals. Onward they march, with eyes now set on even greater glories.